Zamboanga, and then transferred here to Quezon. The reason why I said that earlier in the pregame, because Brix Ramos right now.
Baltazar, first touch of the basketball in this game. John Lloyd Clemente, the attack, couldn't finish, but user price is there. Baltazar getting his first rebound.
It opened up the offensive rebound after the miss.
RJ Minerva from the outside, he has sharpened that stroke this season.
Mundo in the last game. And they had a lot of guys stepping up, had 9, 8. Matapatan nila yung scoring firepower nitong Pampanga.
Oh, Verano, that's a good-looking jumper. He too has really improved that outside shot. Garcia, that pass is on point to John Lloyd Clemente for work on to be able to stop this Pampanga Giant Lantern squad. They will capitalize on those errors for sure. And Archie Concepcion, the emergence of this young man continues.
On the break, inside game. But once they start hitting that outside shot, this team almost...
Long rebound goes to Abundo. Quezon looking to run, but Pampanga right there.
Nice.
Verano on the drop step. So now check in para kay Coach Eric Gonzalez. One thing that I've noticed from Coach Eric the past few games, his substitution.
He had 5 turnovers. Sila ni Abundo, half of the 22 turnovers in the last game.
Oh, that's big coming from 2 of your lead guards. Opiso, first appearance in this game. Former Marikina shoemaster Tamsi, the drop off. Acuno gets the basket to go, playing that 17-foot jumper. Baltazar receives the inbound. He will not be shy to take it from the outside, and that's the reason why.
To look at the bright side and to force you to go nowhere but up. And that's why he's been playing this way. He's been dominating the league.
Now let's take this opportunity.
Outside shooting of Quezon. Hanggang sa maaari, Encho Serrano will not be playing because of back spasms, and Luis Angalang is not here because he's feeling under the weather. Back to you guys.
Oh, thank you so much, Sam. Well, that's
Pampanga, their first loss as Baltazar misses one. So that's a concern para sa Pampanga, but at the same time a wake-up call.
That's right, and here the kick out. Torres will not settle.
Nice.
The bounce pass, Sandagot swatted away by Alan Liwag.
Initial one, and then reverse the ball, and just look for the best shot. This was just an outstanding block. And then just seeing Batangas win in the end. A little bit surprised in a way, but at the same time, we all know yung kapasidad ni Coach Cholo, kanyang squad.
Santos gets the rebound. Rayson splits the defense, finishing with the left. On Monday, happening at the Basi Arena in Iloilo, Gensan versus Zamboanga, and Iloilo today, missing on the outside shot. Rayson, short, but gets the bounce. Eventually, it goes down through the hole. That's the first score. And their team up by 14. Santos, he loves those short stabs. That's almost automatic para sa kanya.
That short roll making and Santos with that touch.
Pascual, another 3-point shot. This time, it doesn't hit anything. Shot clock did not reset. Abundo, that's all nylon para kay Alvin Abundo.
Offense just in a struggle.
The other side, extra pass by Tamsi to the corner. Abundo couldn't hit. Pascual this time gets it from a shorter distance.
Might have warded off on the offensive rebound was...
Jeremy Mahinay is back on the floor for Coach Eric Gonzalez. He would challenge Balti at the post. Good looking hook shot by Jeremy Mahinay.
Pampanga. Now this was the move by Jeremy Mahinay. No white shirts surrounding him. Tiwala sila sa depensa ni Baltazar.
Goes to JB Bajío. The shot against RJ Minerva. That's no good. Offensive rebound once more. Apolonio misses on his shot. Quickly on the other side, Jason Apisto, the basket and one.
Now that's one way to beat for 2 playoff teams.
And that's the beauty about every game that we're having at this point of the season, because as Coach Louie mentioned, that's for that board.
Good pass.
Abundo to Sandagon. This could be a slam. half. Let's take a look at this exceptional pass of the game that's brought to you by Boracay de Leia, the official hotel and resort of the MPBL.
See, number 19 of the white shirts, nowhere to be found because usually lugar na yan eh.
J. Garcia, Kurt Rayson, Alan Liwag, Balti Baltazar, and Neil Tolentino.
Si Baltasar ang binabantayan niya.
Well, with Jeremy Mahina already having 2 fouls, Coach Eric Gonzalez had no choice but as Garcia right in his grill. Liwag on the switch, but Verano knocks down the 3-point shot.
Now that's a big shot. I know the point lead. They don't get that shot. Pampanga converts on this one. It's a double-digit lead. But instead, Pampanga scores once again. 7-point lead, still manageable.
Abundo, great matchup at the guard position against Kurt Rayson. Alcala rattles that jumper through.
Now, that's the nice thing about Mayor Alcala. He more than...
All right, 42-37. Rayson turns the corner. Good defense by Quezon, but to no avail.
A smaller guy on the post, he gets it right now. Pero Rayson winning that matchup with those quick hands.
The alley-oop. Oh, Alan Liwag from Kurt Rayson. Tolentino will attack Abundo.
Nice.
The sidestep gets the bounce on yet another victory here against the Quezon Huskers. This was the one we were talking about, that last play by Neil Tolentino. Verano off the screen. Tamsi the same. Akuno,
Nice.
short stab, that's good.
A great action on the offense. Started on the left side. Little decoy ball screen on.
He does not want to fall into any sort of complacency. That's why he's doing everything that his team can do to be
Nice.
able to secure the victory. MJ Garcia.
That finishes with the left once again.
Sub-point lead.
Backdoor.
Torres. Nice pass from JK Casino. It's been something that Coach Eric Gonzalez has been utilizing quite a lot this season. Garcia from the outside. He's feeling it.
Now, what a difference layups can make for you.
Uncorking for the 3-point shot. Just couldn't hit. Serrano passes it to Alan Liwag and he gets the friendly bounce.
Alam mo, mabigat pa ron sa 3-10 sa quarter na ito. Ang Pampanga, and this was just a straight-on dare shot na binigay ni Casino. Liwag also having the room to shoot. Hindi rin pinahiya.
Lagrama leading the break here for Quezon. The kick out. Casino sets, fires, and scores.
That's a beautiful drag screen. 10.
Liwag wants it against Sandagon. Facing up, drives to the baseline, reverse pivot.
Oh,
Beautiful move up here for Pampanga. JLC gives it up, gets it back. Clemente from the perimeter. Clemente getting the rebound off that Tamsi miss.
oh, clumsy
The counter
pass.
steal. Tamsi
Get fake.
gets Bayo up in the air. That's 2 shots coming up para kay Al Francis Tamsi.
Fortunately for him, unfortunately for me. Okay. And Tamsi taking advantage with a nice up fake and making the 2 free throws.
He's made it look so effortless. He makes it look so easy. The game for him. Giant Lanterns recover possession on the loose ball. Concepcion attacks hard
wow.
and finishes strong.
Beautiful shot fake. Well, Apiso has been quiet as well after leading all scorers for Quezon in the first half with 5. He still has 5.
Clemente free for 3 and he rattles that one home, extending this Giant Lanterns lead.
He's been doing this since his high school days. That's his calling card, a jump shooter. from the outside.
Three-pointer once again para Dia. Attacks the show. Trying to kiss it off the glass. Tough angle. Baltazar collects his 15th rebound of the game, and he's able to get that basket to drop. Fully wilting away here para dito sa Quezon to get back. Baltazar attacks Mahina, gets the step and the slam for Justin Baltazar.
You see a little scissors action, fake handoff. Di na kayo nantay yung pangalawang handoff eh. Yeah, how about the finish? Right down the lane for Baltazar.
He basket para kay Balti. This is now a 20-point advantage for the Pampanga Giant Lanterns, 70-50. The Stars. Happy Pananya, Coach Christian Luanzon and Ms. Sam Coloso. Your panel for tonight's set of games as Francis Tamsi able to drill a three-pointer off the Quezon timeout. Now,
Player in volleyball. Okay. And you know what? I ended up asking for a picture sa kanya. Kasi tumabi siya sa amin eh. Sa floor director namin. Nagpa-picture na rin ako. Interested in volleyball. Okay. Kaya nagulat ako kanina.
at least you're honest. Here, Quezon trying to claw their way back, but definitely there is little time for them to get back into this game. Let's see if a miracle whistle was blown. Another possession yet again para dito sa Pampanga. And ito na nga yung sinasabi ni Sam during her report in the first half, where Quezon has to be able, has not been the case in this game.
Just a miscommunication on the two-man game, but a beautiful dive. Outside shots without not letting the ball go inside to your best player in success all the way up to the championship. Automatic double team na yun.
Yeah, that's right. And talking about their outside shooting, that's actually the reason why Sarangani was able. Tinatry nila sabayan yung Sarangani in terms of three-point shooting.
Namely, Jeff Viernes.
Yes.
Right? Who just had a...
And coach, to also add to your remark about them improving their discipline on offense. Earlier this season, Lanterns. Quezon will drop down to 14-6 as Apolonio hits from the outside.